Stand Award is Bloom! Beanie! Congratulations, Beanie!
Congratulations, Beanie!
Congratulations. Complete.
Thank you so much, Awit Awards. And of course, thank you so much, Blooms. Hindi namin alam na kami palang aakyat. Akala namin kayong lahat ang pupunta dito sa stage. Para sa inyo to, Blooms. We love you!
For the best dance electronic recording, the Awit goes to Salamin Salamin by Beanie.
Two, three. Mabuhay! We are Beanie! Thank you so much, Awit Awards, Vibe, and Pari for this recognition. Best Dance, syempre dahil dance. Thank you to our dance choreographers, Coach Mickey Pers, Coach Matthew Almodovar, and Coach Reden Blanquera. And to the composers and producers of Salamin Salamin, thank you, Flip Music and Star Music. And syempre, thank you to our Blooms, sa lahat ng nandito, and to everyone. Thank you for supporting and believing in us. This award is also for you guys. Thank you po.
Thank you, Beanie. We love you. Thank you also to Blooms for supporting the track. And thank you to Star Music, like ABS-CBN Music, for always believing in us. And thank you to Awit Awards, powered by Vibe. Yeah. Thank you.
Again, maraming salamat, Awit Awards, powered by Vibe. To God be the glory.
Hi po, good evening everyone. Wait lang, nakakaba. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pari. Thank you so much, Awit Awards. Thank you so much, Vibe, for having us tonight. Kami pong Beanie, we've been trying to experiment, to explore. Alam namin na bawat bagong tunog or direction na tinatry namin, may mga nagugulat, may mga naninibago, pero that's the heart of being artist, diba? Exploring, growing, and trusting that music will always find the people it's meant to reach. Yes. Gusto ko po magpasalamat kasi para nagiging validation siya sa lahat ng hard work. And thank you so much, ABS-CBN Music, Flip Music, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat, Star Magic. Blooms, maraming salamat sa inyo. Grabe. Crazy, grabe tong taon na to. Grabe talaga. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan lahat ng fellow artists natin. Ano? Yes, salamat po, global fans, worldwide. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng Blooms na nakikinig sa atin sa labas ng bansa. And again, sa fellow artists natin, maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Ramdam na ramdam po namin yung support nyo. Alam namin hindi tayo kumpleto tonight dahil dinadala nila ang OPM sa global stage. Napakarami pong artist na nag-world tour ngayon. Patunay lang yon na na hindi lang tayo basta sumasabay sa global stage. Dahil tayo mismo ang tunog na hinahanap ng mundo. Again, we are Beanie 23! Thank you po!
And also, thank you so much, Mr. Enzo Valdez.